I had a daughter, called her Annabelle. She's the apple of my eye. Tried to give her something like I never had. I didn't want to ever hear her cry. I build a home and wait for someone to tear it down, then pack it up in boxes, head for the next town running. But I got memories and travel like gypsies in the night. I count gates and numbers, then play the guessing game. It's just a place that changes, the rest is still the same. But I got memories and travel like gypsies in the night. First time I looked into his eyes, Cupid loosed a shot and watched it fly into my heart, but it passed us by. But it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Now when I was just a little girl, my mama said to me, beware of the devil, my child, but if by chance you should meet, home is where I want to be. But I guess I'm already there. I come home, she lifted up her wings. I guess that this must be the place. I can't tell one from the other. Did I find you or you find me? There was a time before we were born. If someone asks, this is where I'll be.